speaking of waves, wow. No clue who this guy is, but he's definitely got some waves going on, right? So if I was to do this, I would be following these waves. And some of them curl up and over, right? You can have fun with it as they come back a little bit, right? Okay. He's got a little bit on this side here. They fold over. This one switches now, starting to switch over this way, coming up. And you can start to create the momentum yourself a little bit, right? As you start to flow with it, your hands will get used to which way you're going. And you'll just kind of have this nice flow yourself to get the hair down in. There we go. Wow. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Maybe a couple little flips up there, right? So those are some short hair examples, right?